Welcome to this channel IBM classes. This video session will cover uh, how we can compile our CL programs. So there are various ways through which we can create or compile our CL programs. So I'll be discussing all those CL commands through which we can create our CL program or modules. So let's discuss. I just written this document, rough document for that. So first command is create bind CL BNDCL, that is create bound CL. So what this command will do, when you take option 14 on a CL program, this command will invoke. Sure. um, or you take 40 and then showing you for this one. This is the program. Now just take 14 and then take F4. So this create bind CL, create bound CL program, that is this command will get invoked once we press enter. Program CLPGM3 created in library IBM class 1. So what it will do, it will create a bound program with one module, and that module will always be pointing to qtemp library. So system itself create a module in qtemp and then create a program for bound program for that. So how can we see that? We will be doing DSP PGM CLPGM3. So we can see that program is created in library IBM. Program is created in library IBM class 1. This is the owner, this is the attribute CLLE, and the type of program is ILE program. Now we can see program entry procedure module is CLPGM3, which is compiling qtemp. Press enter again. We can see that one module is bound to this program, ILE program CLPGM3, which is compiling qtemp library. So using this way, option 14 or create bind CL program, we can create a bound or CL program with one module which is created in qtemp library. Module will always point to qtemp library in that case. So this is a bound program. Now another command is create CLPGM, that is create CL program. So using in one step you can create a CL program without having any module bound to it. So that will only be a program. There will be no module pointing in qtemp or anywhere else in that case. So just work object CLPGM3, delete this object, create CLPGM3 IBM I class 1, and it will surely point to the source file QCLSRC, and the current library is IBM class 1 already set, and it here we need to give the source member. So in case your library will not be set, you need to give the library name IBM class 1 and the source member name CLPGM3, which is present in QCLSRC source physical file. Take F10, nothing more than that, just press enter. Program this created in library this. Now do DSP PGM CL PGM 3. So we can see that the program if CLPGM 3 is created in IBM class 1, there is no module bound to it in any of the library or the developer library or the qtemp library. So in a simple way, the difference between create bind CL and create CLPGM is create CLPGM will create a CL program in one step without having that program bound to any module either in qtemp library, or create bind CL will create the bound program. bound LE program with one module which is pointing to the QTemp library. Sure. Now the third command, which is different from these two. In this case we have only one program. In this case we have program with bound module present in QTemp, pointing to QTemp library. Now create CLMOD, we have another command, create CLMOD, through which we can create the module. If we want that our program have separate module and the separate program or service program, then we will be using this command, not the create CLPGM or not the create bind CL command. Sure. So we'll be again deleting this object. Just delete this object, work member PDM. That's what you do. You will be using this command, create CLMOD F4, take F4. So module name is CLPGM3. You can change the module name here because that will be the object. IBM I class 1, that will be referred from QCLSRC. IBM I class 1, and source member would be CLPGM3. So module is created. Just two work object. So now we can see that CLPGM3 star module type object has been created in IBM class 1 library of attribute CLLE. Sure. Now what we do, once the separate module gets created, then that has to be bound either to the program or to the service program so that we can use that module. Sure. So what we'll do, we'll be creating the program using create PGM F4. Wait for a minute. We can also take F15 here and then take F4. That will also invoke create CL command, create CLMOD command to create the module that I have shown earlier. This one. Sure. Now I'll be using create PGM command to create the program for this. CLPGM3 IBM I class 1, module will be CLPGM3 pointing to IBM I class 1. Take F10. There is no further entry required here. Now if we check, program has been created. Now we have two objects, one is of module and another is of program. If we do DSP-PGM here, then we will see that the program entry module is this, which is present in library IBM class 1. Press enter. So we have a separate module, this one. If we delete this, SRVPGM, suppose I am creating the service program with service program 1, IBM I class 1, module would be CLPGM3, IBM I class 1. We can have multiple modules in this one. So if we want to add more modules to the service program, then we can add from here by pressing plus or entering the name, but we just want to have one module right now. Set this option as star all. Press F10. Nothing would be required. We can see that service program this has been created. Now we can use that service program into any of our program. This is the module and this is the service program. Sure. If we do DSP SRVPGM, CRTSRVPGM 1. You can see the details. This is the service program. This is the module which is bind to that service program, and this is the procedure. This acts as a procedure name actually. So if you want to use that uh, to any, you cannot directly call that service program. So we'll be using this procedure by means of that service program. So we need to um, bind that service program to a program, then we can call this program. So these are the ways through which we can create our CL programs, either a bound CL program or the simple CL program in one step using this command, create CLPGM, or the bound program with this create bind CL, or we can use create CL mod, and uh, with that either create PGM or create service PGM. So that's all in this video. I think this video will be very helpful for the beginners. So thank you and have a nice time.